Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install escrow accounts using Ally Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install escrow accounts using Ally Bank, begin by visiting the Ally Bank website. Create an account if you don't have one. Choose the Open an Account option from the homepage. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Set up your username and password for secure access. Once your account is created, log into the Ally Bank platform. Navigate to the Accounts tab on the dashboard. Select Create an Escrow Account from the drop-down menu. Review the information about escrow accounts provided by Ally Bank. Understand the purpose of an escrow account, which is to hold funds for property taxes and insurance. Enter the specific details required for your escrow account setup. Specify the type of escrow account you wish to open, whether for a mortgage or another purpose. Provide any necessary documentation, such as property details or loan information. Review the terms and conditions, ensuring you understand all fees and requirements. Submit your escrow account application for processing. Check your email for a confirmation of your escrow account setup. Once your account is approved, log back into your Ally Bank account. Monitor your escrow account regularly to manage your funds effectively. Ensure you understand how to make deposits or withdrawals as needed. Stay informed about any changes to your account or the terms of the escrow service. Congratulations, you have successfully installed an escrow account with Ally Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.